Howdy folks, Corky Duke here. Bomber Crew is the game and BA's fan is the name. Now this is the 17th mission and hopefully the last mission. Should have been the last mission last time, but I missed the target. Well, I won't miss it this time. So trust me, I will get it this time. I know what I did wrong, and I'm not going to do it again. So here we go. We're taking to the skies. Not me, fool! Yes, you, too. Oh yeah, you're getting on board, BA. There we go. This should be the last time. Alrighty, we're off. Basically, I got a little rushed because we had a fuel leak. And I was worried about making it back to base on enough fuel, and we wound up making it back to base on enough fuel. So I think I rushed my aiming just a little bit. So I could see it. It just there was a lot going on. There were still fighters attacking, and there was clouds, and I don't need to be making excuses, but that can be tricky when you're about 30,000 feet and you're trying to aim at a little aircraft carrier which looks tiny from 30,000 feet. The reality is huge. When you're that high in the sky, it's a small thing to try to see. Alrighty, here we go. About to face our first fighters here. Colonel Lynch got one. Good shooting, Colonel Francis Lynch. Here comes one of those Ju-88s. Beautiful. Alrighty. Now the next campaign I got coming up is a shameless attempt at me trying to get 9 new subscribers. It's going to be called, the bomber's going to be called Lippman at Night, and it's going to be dealing with the people I work with. I work for Lippman Brothers in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a liquor distributor for Middle and East Tennessee, and I got 8 other crew members besides myself that's going to fly this bomber in the next campaign. So I've got their positions all picked out. Most of them volunteered. I drafted a couple of them, but when I told them about it, they didn't seem to mind. So they picked out the names. Now some of them aren't going to be using their real names. You know how the names have changed to protect the innocent type of thing. So, but most of them got their real names on there. I'm going to use my real name, not my stage name, my real name. So, but anyway, I'm going to do the nose art and everything. Oh, and another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put. I've already picked out the bomb group. I'm going to put a 15th Air Force bomb group insignia on the tail. That'll be a first for Bomber Crew. I'm going to create the insignia myself. So I think it's the 463rd bomb group is what if I remember correctly. I got it written down here. I just can't find it right now. And I'm also busy flying this plane, so you'll have to forgive me. Crazy fool! Yeah, see, BA doesn't forgive me. After all, I've been dragging them on these planes for the last 25 missions. This is the 26th mission. I've dragged them on a plane for. Whoa! Oh, somebody's frying bacon and eggs again. Damn it. Get out of there, Lynch. You get burnt. Decker. Hey, Ray, you got it? Come on! Man. Gotta lean out some fuel. Almost forgot to do that. Oh, foolish of me. That was that lone Y-wing that always attacks. crazy. Okay, we need... Yeah, we're gonna have to start climbing. I was disengaged. Damn, hate that. Alright. And we're getting close to the target. Well, they haven't disengaged yet. We're getting close to our ceiling. I'll get Hannibal in this position. We want to take this target out right away. Alright, where's that target at? Come on, where's that target? Where's that target? There it is, there it is. Crap, passed it, missed it. Did I? Yeah, I did. Damn it. Turn around again. Alright, we'll get it this time. Damn it! Keep missing it. It's hard to see it through all those fucking clouds. Damn! Not gonna miss it this time. Crap. Damn it. Gotta tag those. Those are comets. Gotta get it this time. Can't stay up there too much longer. Okay, I see it. I see it. Bomb away. Alrighty. Which way are we going? Okay, we're going the right way. I don't see a photo opportunity. Damn it. Alright. Gotta start climbing up again. Hannibal got that one. Good job. Alright, we gotta back up. Come on, come on! Damn, I'm clicking on it. What more enemies do I gotta clear? Is there any more? I don't see any more. There's one. Got the last one? You gotta be kidding me. Come on, get him, get him. Start climbing to high altitude again. A little French should take care of those enemy fighters while we climb up to high altitude and take out this carrier and lean out more fuel. This last mission usually gets pretty hairy, and this is no exception. There it is. They are almost. Okay. One last time we're going to tag you, and we're going to bag you this time. Nice and visible. I like that. Come on, come on. God, that's what I did before. Okay, we're going to tag you and we're going to bag you this time. Come on. I got to get close like this so I can see it. Come on, come on, come on. Damn it, get on. Ah, man. It doesn't want to line right up. Come on. Alright. Come on, come on, come on. Over to the right. That should do it. Bingo. Got him. Got him. Damn it. Alright. We need more fuel. Alright, let's hope we can navigate to home from here. We can. Of course we can. You have to drive down quickly. There we go. Damn it. I saw it. Come on, come on. Give me a navigation fix. Damn it. Head for home. So far, so good. Good, 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 good. Alrighty. We're almost at our ceiling. Hell is hitting us. Should have enough fuel to make it home. Called in the Mustangs, so they should help us clear these enemies out below us. There they come. Ooh. 20 minutes, yeah, we got plenty of fuel. Tanya into sick bay. Alright, looks like we're finally going to do it. For one failed attempt, we are looking at ending this campaign. And a success, too. Enemy fighters, damn it. Where are they at? Where are they at? What's taking a hold? It's shooting at us. Alrighty. We're looking good. We're looking good. Our little friends are engaging them, knocking them down. The skies are clearing down below us, so. Nine minutes. It's going to be close. We should make it alright, though. Landing gear's still intact. That's another plus. Alright, we're getting close. Alrighty. Excellent. Oh. Animal got that. Excellent. Alright. We're in the clear. Enemies have been destroyed or disengaged, so we're good to go. All we gotta do is tag the landing gear, or the landing strip, and we're home. This has been it. This has been an interesting campaign, that's for sure. Took an extra mission, my fault, but we got it done. All the objectives are completed. All we gotta do is land. And it'll be a safe landing. All our landing gear's intact. There it is. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo! Alright. Celebration time. The A-Team is a successful campaign. We completed with the bomber called BA's Van. Yeah, there's the landing gear. Alrighty. It's the Bogey the Bear show! Oh, I'm Bogey the Bear and I'm covered with hair. Actually, it's not Bogey the Bear, it's Bomber Bear. Wishing the crew of the A-Team congratulations on completing your tour. 26 missions total in the campaign. The BA's Van flew 17 of those missions. So congratulations, have a great tour back to the States and a war bond tour. And just congratulations, this is great. Woohoo, we're all happy. Alrighty, we're gonna take a look at the final score, the final stats, how many enemy fighters they shot down, bomber targets they destroyed, the whole 9 yards. And as soon as we get through the movie, the game has a little movie that they show, and it'll go back to the A-Team bomber, which started out the campaign, so we'll get to see that in the movie too. So here we go. Everybody survived. We only had one casualty throughout the whole campaign, and that was Colonel Decker. So, and he died, I can't remember what mission he was killed in, but okay, here we go. And this should be it right here. Right here's the movie. Well, as soon as we get exit our debrief, here it is. The movie. I love this movie. This is great. Everybody's jumping up and down. They're all happy. Woohoo! I need to get one of these that makes that noise, you know, that buzzing sound. There's the A-Team bomber that crashed on the 9th mission. And BA's Van. Yep, there it is. Now see, Colonel Decker is with us until I'm not sure which mission he gets killed. Then it's replaced by Tanya Baker. Yep, right there. Tanya Baker, right there. Alrighty, congratulations, A-Team, you did it. Never really looked at these credits before. Crazy fool! I ain't flying no more! That's right, you don't have to fly anymore, BA. Your campaign's over with. You get sent back home on a boat. We'll send BA back on a boat. He'll be the only one, because everybody else will take the bomber back. But I ain't getting on no plane. I want to take a boat back to America. Okay, BA, we'll let you get on a boat. It'll take you 3 weeks to get there, but that's all right. I don't care, fool. I ain't flying anymore. Anyway. So I had fun in this campaign. Hope you enjoyed it too. Check out my website, corkyduke.com. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a new channel, so it doesn't have a whole lot of subscribers yet. But if you subscribe, I'll get one more subscriber. So thanks, and I appreciate it. And like I said, we'll go back and check out the final stats of the BA's van. No, actually, it'll be the whole stats of the whole campaign, BA's van and the 18 bomber. So here we go. All right, here we go. The final stats. The final stats are 26 missions flown, 511 enemy fighters destroyed, 27,307 miles flown, 50 targets destroyed, and even 50. One bomber was lost and one crew was lost. That was Colonel Decker. $170,475 spent, 34 recon photos taken, and 0 crew members rescued. Well, I'm Corky Duke. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you for the next campaign. Lippman at Night is the next campaign that's coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I had a lot of fun flying it, doing all. I know I don't do a very good impersonation of BA, but you know, hey, it was all in the spirit of fun. So thanks for watching. Take care, y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.